Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix headset mic not working in Windows. First things first, you want to unplug the headphone. If using a headphone with two jacks, ensure that the headphone and microphone sections are plugged into their proper places. Make sure also that the audio port for headphones is clean. If this doesn't work, you want to try the next step. For our second solution, you want to go to Settings. And in the system, click on Sound. Then scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. Then right-click on the headphone option and select Enable. Then press OK. However, if this solution still doesn't work, you want to proceed on our solution number 3, which is changing volume settings. In the sound settings, you want to change the volume of headphones to an equilibrium position. Adjust the volume sliders to a comfortable level that works just right for you. But if nothing else works, you want to try using another pair of headphones to check if the issue is with the headphones themselves. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.